This elf guy, kind of freaky. It's kind of funny. It feels like he is so knowledgeable about dragons, but all the information is misinformation. And Dora is like, bro, we don't live like that. Kind of feels like he's doing like racial stereotypes, you know, just like cultural appropriation. I don't know. Just basically acting as if they know about a culture, but it's like, that's some tourist ass opinions, man. This new arc, where are we going? Well, we got a new characters. We got Dora. We got new gods, new blessings, new powers. You know, Mukuta is obviously trying not to go into the dungeon as usual. I want him to go into a dungeon. We need to get some like rare materials and get some shit from there, right? Let's see what happens today. We got Mithril Plus. Sui. Sui's blade. The slime blade. It's Mithril Plus. Should work. We can eat it finally! What do we say? Sweet! No, come on, give Sweet the fucking credit! No one loots Sweet. I swear to God, if you take this out of context, no, don't you dare. In one season. Alright. Come from every part. I don't want to know what he's gonna do when he gets to the dragon penis. Do dragons have penises? How does that work? You know this freaky motherfucker is gonna be just analyzing every little part. I want to see Dora's power too, yes. They've been hyping Dora up. Aww. We wanna go. Can't say no to Sui. Sui wanna go pew pew. Pew pew. Come on, let Sui go pew pew. We better get Sui doing some like Megiddo levels of genocide in the dungeon. I need to see this. Megiddo from Tensura, by the way, reincarnated as a slime. You can never say no to Sui. 3-star Earth Dragon Steak. We need less than that. Also bald. The food is in the dungeon. Okay. Bald. Time to break that record. Mukuta gonna get so much spotlight. Bell's gonna go in there and just clear the tower in like less than a day, and we're gonna get out. Sui's also gonna just help, and they're gonna be like, oh my god, who's this legendary adventurer? Now we are prepared. The side eye is that, it's not even a side eye, it's a front eye. They'll chill out. Boo. Pussy, coward. Yeah? Man, my dungeon shit got baited away. Now we're doing shopping? Alright. Such a flex to have those two around. The ingredients look great. Season 1 people. How much would the Earth Dragon meat be? We can't sell it though. We gotta eat it.
ではこのパンとキャベットとキャロットと
Carrots, cabbets, carrots, onions. This is like appa instead of apple in ReZero.
魔導コンロだって
Okay.
口もついてる
Ooh. Fel, you're underestimating the oven, man.
いやいや
The
これで
stove.
料理を作るんだよいらっしゃい最新式魔導コンロに目をつけるとはオメガ高一番のおすすめですよ
Once Fel realizes that we can multi-cook multiple batches of meat on here, he's gonna go crazy.
でどのくらいですかね粒よりの魔石をも申し分ありません何より最大の目玉はこのオーブン
Oven.
あのコカトリスの丸焼きも出ますよ
Cockatrice twice? Sorry, a
こ
hole?
が焼けるよりいいかもしれないな
Mm.
とにかくこれがあったら料理の幅が広がり
More
そうだ
volume of food.
それ
Efficient.
で
Damn!
860枚です860
Alright, buy it. Bro, you got the money? Honestly, yeah. He is the one hunting the monsters and rare materials and funding our project, yeah.
食えるのかならあった方がいいに決まってんじゃん
Buy it. It's an investment. He's actually calling him Aruji too. I don't know the last time he called Mukudo Aruji though.
すいませんこれください毎度あり
Alright, let's use our new oven stove. Ooh, look at that. Multiple pots.
半寸胴鍋だよ本当はそれよりも大きい寸胴鍋が欲しかったんだけどねさすがにネットスーパーには売ってなかったこれは今日の
Mushrooms?
よし
Rice?
いい感じだ
Okay,
な
okay.
ついフェルたち呼んで
If there's no meat, Fel gonna be mad.
待って実は他にもお願いしたいことがあるんだブラッディホーンブルとワイバーン肉の牛
Okay,
丼の
okay.
出来上が
Got
り
some
だ
beef in there.
柔らかくて美味しいね
Give me the mukbang commentary. That was a quick one.
ジョン内で料理するにしても3、4日持つくらいは作っておかないとな
I bet he's gonna prepare all of this thinking it's gonna be a long journey. And then we realize that we're way too overpowered for the dungeon and clear it within a day. And this is gonna be useless.
よいしょおい
一品目はオークジェネラルの煮豚
Okay.
二品目はレッドボアのロールキャベツ
Alright, there's boar camp meat in there.
ここまでは壁はサクッとチンジャオロースター
Instant packaged food, let's go.
調味料が余らなくていいんだよな
Oh, look at that, bro. The cooking animation, the movements. Fel is like straight up like a dog that if you've ever had a pet and you're like cooking and the you know pet wants to like little kind of bother you, it's like what's that smelling? Get out of here.
4品目は5品
Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at the different texture and the layers and the lighting onto this gelatinous sauce. Food sakuga, bro. Ooh.
5品目はワイバーン肉のビーフシチューあ
I'm gonna eat straight out the pot.
これは
Mithril?
お願いされたのできたよ
Oh.
すげえ
Got a Mithril sword? Mithril
さらに
plus.
切れ味抜群って感じだな
Careful now.
これで心もとなかった武器もダンジョン仕様だよ
You're a good boy.
ついはいい子だね
向田様
Sweet too adorable.
しかして
アースドラゴンの解体が終わりました
Okay. That was fast.
おおすぐに準備しますので少々お待ちください
申し訳ありませんがギ
Why?
ルドマスターが仕事をしないおかげで
Okay. Alright. That was intense out of nowhere. Alright, give a guy man some break.
立て込んでおりまして
ギルドの人たちも苦労してるんこんにちはって聞いてきたんです
What is that? Blood? What did it extract?
さすがの素晴らしいシンク色ずっと眺めていたこの人本当に大丈夫かな
He's eccentric for sure.
さん
Little special.
おお向田さん く解体させていただきました。
Damn, look at that. So organized. This is his dream come true.
つきましてはぜひギルドでも素材を
Okay.
まずはアースドラゴンの血を2本。ドラゴンの血は
Panacea. Cure all.
次は肝を半分。効き目はこちらの
Dragon liver.
と言われています。牙を1本。
Weapon mats.
これは後々ドラゴンソードにいえ本せていただこうかと。
Okay.
それだけでいいんですか？
He probably took the best of the best over here. This is probably the most important.
いいんですか？なんかこうもっと目いっぱい買い取るのかと。いやいや、これだけでも下手。悩みに悩んでこの4点にし。
Okay.
締めて金貨3800枚となります。
Damn. And this is like the guild's entire treasury almost. Last season too, there was so much material that the guild could not even buy out. We're like, we straight up don't have money to buy our ship, bro. You gotta wait.
80枚で用意させていただきました。
All right.
ご確認ください。
Can I count every? I do not want to count this shit. Sui. I feel like Sui could be a coin counter. Somehow Sui can go in there and just, I don't know. Don't dissolve the coins though. It's a lot of work.
たったこれだけの素材がこ。
You didn't even count! It's all here? You count 380 coins? You counted all that?
確かに
Cap.
たったこれだけの素材がこんな大金に全部だ。
So much. We have infinite funds.
牙だの。そんなことより肉がないで
Yo,
は。
where's the meat at?
まさかと思うが。
ご安心をフェル様。アースドラゴンの肉はこちらで。
Alright. Preserve
肉
somewhere?
はいいだね。
This a fridge? Like a freezer? It is! Nice! Look at that!
ほう、魔法の氷でできた氷室か。
男女肉なんかも多いですし、天然の氷室より温度管理ができますからね。
ほう。
Multiple suites. That's right, you can do that. You can get big, you can get tiny, you can divide.
コードさん、それで私にもぜひともアースドラゴン
Yeah?
の肉を。無事解体も。
Alright, alright. We'll have a dinner together.
では家で試食しましょう。
Going over to the guild leader's house?
肉も受け取ったし、早速アースドラゴン。
Let's go! It's just kind of weird though, right? I know that fish eat other fish, right? But like dragon, he's so excited. I'm ready to eat dragon meat. You're a dragon, nah, it's normal here.
エルランドさん、まだ仕事中じゃ。
Yeah, the balding guy is literally upset because Elrond keeps fucking around, and now he's about to take some time off and eat some dragon meat while that guy is just dying of paperwork.
何を言っているんですか。ドラゴンの肉を味わうことより重要なことなどありません。肉食うぞ。本当に庭でいいのですか？実は新しい魔導コンロを買っちゃいまして。これは最新式じゃない。実は私もアイテムボックス持ちなんです。他に持ってる人初めて見ました。エルフは魔力が高いものが多いです。では私も草木、風魔法、そして剣で
Plant and wind magic. Okay.
よし、料理するぞ。
It feels so rude. They literally just muted his mic. Anyways, let's just get out of here.
よし、料理するぞ。
Anyways. Skipped.
さて、ドラゴンの賞をかけて
Season that shit, yeah. Karut.
じゃがいも輪切りにする。
The garlic. Oh, it's baby
丸ごと
onions.
使う。オーブンの天板にクッキングシートを敷き、いっぱいに並べる。
Let's go, sweet.
そしてオリーブオイルを、ハーブを乗せる。
Look at all the
置い
aromatics.
たオーブンに入れて、肉と野菜を
All four of them.
様子を見ながら焼き。
How long?
いい感じじゃないか。
Temperature? Medium well? Medium rare? Nice, looks good.
仕上げにエルの
Damn.
大好きなニンニク風味。よし、完成。ローストドラゴンだ。
Roast beef, but roast dragon beef. Let's get it. Look at Sui. Sui's so excited everywhere. How is it? Yeah?
すぎるだろう。牛とのぶ
Dragon!
それぞれいいとこ取りしたみたいな旨味だ。
The meat of all meats!
肉汁までとにかく
It just looks like very thin slice of Wagyu beef that you could get, man. Look at this shit.
うまい。
Look at the marbling.
ベルがあれだけ食べたがるのもわかるぞ。
In a while? In a
ド
while.
ラゴンってこんなに
Wonder what pixie dragons taste like. Nah.
アースドラゴンってこんなにうまいのか。
Damn! It's reminding me of Togepi from Pokemon, where Togepi would start popping off on Misty's arms.
我も暇方で焼いてやった時もあったが、主が火を使うとまるで違うな。あと3匹ほど取ってくればよかった。
それは勘弁して。およ。そういえばドラちゃん、ドラゴン肉って。
Yeah, thank you! Oh my god, thank you. Okay, let's let them explain why dragons can eat other
ドラ
dragons.
ならないの？
俺とアースドラゴンじゃ全然別の種族だぜ。同じピクシードラゴンでないわねえだろ。
Okay, species. Species matter. Different types of dragons. Okay. Alright. Fish is the same thing. I mean, whales eat a lot of different plankton, different sea creatures. But whales don't eat other whales. What about like regular fish though? Do regular fish have cannibalism within their same species? I don't know. I guess not.
見かけによらず意外とワイルドなんだね。
ありがたいや。
泣きながら食べてる。
解体するだけで
Damn, the respect he has for the food.
食せるなんて。趣味だなんて。
This is a true connoisseur. This is actually like the most utmost respect and honor you could give to this food. Elrond, so much respect. He just came. Signed this man out for fucking food wars.
そこまで感動しなくても。
いやはやうまかった。
Is eating monkeys cannibalism? If a dinosaur ate a chicken, well, that's not really the same. How about a chicken eats a dinosaur? Because now we're going to precursors of, different evolution stages, right? Now, monkeys actually aren't, precursor to human. It's like Homo sapiens. There's like a derivative of, primates. It's not actual fucking chimps and monkeys, but regardless, it's like, okay, so then you're saying that future evolution tree eating past, is that cannibalism? You tell me, bro.
いやはやうまかった。腹が満たされれば力。
I just will never forget that clip of the guy offering chicken KFC or chicken like food, and all the chickens would always go for the KFC because it's finger looking good, man.
これでダンジョンでも思い切り力が震える。
Plot twist! It's not real chicken. The conspiracy theory. The chicken eating KFC proves that the food is not real chicken. It's cut with other weird meats. It's fake chicken. That's why they eat it. Boom, right there. Conspiracy theory.
力が震える。明日にはダンジョンに行くぞ。
Surely we're going to the dungeon.
あ、お供えを済ませとかないとな。
Offerings to gods.
お菓子のページに。
For the ladies first. They just waiting. They camping.
異世界人に防御系のスキルはやってあるんだろうな。
Did they?
ボテおるぞ。
It's offensive magic.
気が甘いぜ。なカゴであって異世界人をちゃんと守れる保証があるもんじゃねえ
Give him Mugen.
やられちまったらどうなる
Yeah, what happens if he dies? Then we don't get snacks anymore. Do they actually care about Mukoda? Yeah, they do. Because their offerings are on the line.
異世界のもんは二度と手に入らんだろう。
Ah, who cares? We just gotta isekai, get another isekai character then. How do we even show up here? I feel like there was like a summoning ritual, right? There's like an original party. It's not like these goddesses are the ones like pulling people from the earth.
二度と手に入らんだろうの。
世界の神を何としても守るのじゃ。いい話じゃないわよ。酒が手に入らなくなるなんて冗談じゃないぜ。
東野人にスキルを授け
Give him Mugen.
いいかの。
女神様たちいますか？明日からダンジョンに潜るのでお供え。
異世界にスキルを授けるぞい。
いやいや、いらないです。お供えだ。
お断りおったが、今回もとは。だが、そうはいかん。
Oh,
よし、これでしばらく
what did they do?
美容製品酒酒
That must be so fucking annoying to constantly just have to hear that. You can't avoid it.
俺の話聞いてます。
Nope. We'll see what kind of defensive powers he got. All right, Bokensha
久
time.
しぶりですね
Who? Season 1?
ビアンカです
Okay, I don't remember Bianca. Damn, she has an attitude. What is with that look, lady?
しかフェーネン王国のギルド。
Bianca.
なんでこのギルドに？
ダンジョンがここ最近盛況で人が欲しいギルドから
What's with that side eye?
ありましたので
Okay.
ギルド間でそんなやりとりもあるんですね。
Fell fan. Loves Fell. The girl that wants to fuck Fell. Oh my, I just read. Oh my, yeah. Holy, I forget. Yes, there was a really sus girl that was like, I swear to God, I think I made some commentary about, she into bestiality or what's going on here? Why is she looking at Fell like that? Look at the side eyes. The little twitches.
ありましたので
ギルド間でそんなやりとりもあるんですね。気になって仕方がないんだ。
Fell not gonna give her the look. Nope.
了ですそれでは
おい、お前ら。
That's not simple admiration, bro. This is something beyond that. All right, let's get to the little short, cute little skits. Let's see it. Second serving time. Oh, hello. Who is this baddie?
ドランの冒険者ギルドで
Getting letters from Bianca?
年ということもあって受付嬢になりたい人は多い人はかなり少ないようですっていた通り大盛況で休む暇もない
Her
で
lips,
すが
man.
トマスターの顔に泥を塗れないので頑張ります
Yeah. No shame to the guildmaster. Is she gonna slip up and someone's gonna make some drama about like this girl wants to fuck a furry, bro.
二度と会えないだろうと思っていた彼と再会できました
Mukoda. Mukoda is the man you're talking about right now, right?
再会できました神々しくてイケメン いたか前にも増してももう
What are you talking about? Maybe it's fluffy down there. I don't think I'm body here. That's another episode. Pretty sus. What the fuck was that? I might have enjoyed this part the most of today's episode. Another chill episode of, you know, prepping and processing the Earth Dragon meat, Sui's, you know, Mithril Plus sword that, you know, the ability that he got from the gods last episode pays off. And oh my god, things are going great. Elrond, man, is something else. He truly respects, you know, the food to the highest degree. This is like his dream come true, but Mukoda doesn't give a fuck. Elrond's like yapping about the past. I feel like it's important information and we're like, yeah, anyways. The roast beef looked great. Dora, I'm glad that I actually explained why this isn't cannibalism. The gods seem to have given Mukoda a different protection. So we'll see what happens in the dungeon. I'm expecting some sort of lethal injury to happen next episode. But we'll be like, ah, boom, the gods got him back. So we'll see about that. And Bianca? This girl's wilding out. She actually wants to fuck Fel. And this is not me exaggerating. This isn't me trying to make something more of a situation that doesn't exist. She called him a man with heart and ooh and gushing. What do you think that's saying? That's it for me. If you're still here though, if you enjoyed this reaction, please like the video. Check out the other playlist for more content. And until next time, take care.